What's up everyone? I hope you guys are having a good day, and today I just want to do a quick update on a tutorial I did a couple of weeks ago involving how to import videos into Twinmotion. And so importing videos used to be a very tricky thing in Twinmotion until the latest release, which was 2022. So if you have Twinmotion 2022, importing videos into your scene is now much easier. So all you need to do is go to your materials and go all the way down, and they've added a video section, so now you can go for video. I'm just going to sample the artwork material on this piece here, which is down here, and I'm just going to drag and drop the video sample onto this material, and it will just update with a video. So this is how easy it is now to import videos into Twinmotion. And obviously you can just go in and change the video file by opening a new video MP4 or AVI to replace the video. So this is how you import videos into Twinmotion. They've made it a lot easier now, so you don't have to go to the root folder of Twinmotion anymore. You can just have that option under materials. So I hope this has been useful to you, and I'll see you in the next video.